sondern Butterfly.
You have made some noise.
Okay. Everyone. So, let's go. Ja, I like that. Like a wolf. Werewolf. That's your hearing aid.
Yeah.
That's all good. I'm on. I'm on. Now listen. Now listen. Are you happy? Okay.
Is there anything that matters?
In the dream, yes.
No.
Everything matters in the dream.
Is there anyone who can do anything about anything that matters in the dream?
In the dream you can try.
But the trial is random, isn't it?
There is an experience of the one who tries. Tries all he can do. Even sometimes he tries not to do something.
Yes. So all that trying is random.
No, it's an experience of what you are. The one who tries, the try and what he tries is an experience of what you are.
So this is the self-realizing and self-realizing.
It's part of realization. It's the way of realizing. So that you are, in the sense, you are the phantom, but you are not the phantom. This paradox you cannot.
Yeah, this is it.
So otherwise,
So it's just the paradox that stops you from landing anywhere.
it's a paradox. The paradox is like you are that, but you are not that. It's always this yes and no. And then you stay in the middle, like the middle, the middle part of Buddha. You're undecided. There's some about, are you the phantom? Yes and no. So there's nothing but you. But when there's a phantom, you are not different from the phantom. But when there's no phantom, you are even without the phantom. So you are not